Vengeance, si Flap, all it took was that one set for them to be able to turn the tides against them and win. And nakikita natin yung moments of brilliance coming from Brusco all across the game. May mga magagandang huli siya sa mga necessary people, talking about Ogwen, talking about Flap, TZ, even Few sometimes. And yun yung mga kailangan mong bantayan, especially if you are a Kufra user. Yung mga ganitong klaseng setup na makakapag-ensure na mababawasan ng mga kalaban mo, yung, na makakampi mo rather, yung mga kalaban nyo, and nakakapag-single target kayo sa mga necessary targets na kailangan yung bawasan. Still, magandang performance coming from the side of FCAP, but it was just Brusco na nakapagpabago ng takbo ng ating laro.
O, kumbaga parang naharangan niya talaga yung mga kailangan harangan eh. And apart from that, tumangki din siya ng damage. And as much as I hate to say this, nakatulong yung revitalize